Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reinstall Google Play Store. And here, actually the Google Play Store is a built-in apps on an Android phone. So basically you cannot reinstall the apps because it's by default the Play Store has been installed on your phone. But if maybe you got some error on your Google Play Store, you can just open it in your web browser. So you can just open your browser and then just type in Google Play Store like this, and then just long press on the page and click open in a new tab. After that, the Google Play will be open. If you haven't sign in, you can just click on this and then sign in with your Gmail account. And here you can just use the Google Play on the web browser. So if you don't know, you can also install the Google Play on Windows, so you can install the apps on your computer or maybe laptop. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.